Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end. Okay, so when we were discussing the gold analysis previous yesterday on the 14th October, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of short-term support and this area as an area of short-term resistance. And you guys can clearly see that this support was tested and market continuously went up and gave us a good profit. So let me take that profit as soon as market closed above an area of support, then we would have long this pair. So this trade would have given us 11.8% profit. And if we would have taken a long trade upon after a retest over here, then again we would have made a good profit of approximately 1.6%. And if we would have shorted from here, then we would have made a good profit in selling of this pair. As you guys can see that we marked the resistances for you guys, and this profit would still be running, which is 5.7%. Okay, so now let me mark new areas of resistance and support, or rather this is going to remain same. Okay, so now I am going to stretch these areas ahead as they are gonna remain same. Something like this. Okay, and this and this. So the key is going to remain same, and let me move these for you guys. You guys can have a better idea what I'm talking about. Okay, okay. So this will be the scenario that how we can trade gold tomorrow. I hope you guys have an amazing and profitable day. See you guys in the next video. So just hit that subscribe and like button. Thank you.